Hello friends, today we are hiking to St. Mary's Glacier, and if the weather holds out, as I think it will, we'll continue past the glacier up and to the top of the Continental Divide into the James Peak Wilderness and finally to the summit of James Peak. We are looking at the St. Mary's Lake behind me, and you can see just a bit of the St. Mary's Glacier. We're going to be walking right up and over that in just a little while. This hike has a lot of great payoff, so it's going to be a great one. We're headed that way. At this point, we're up far above the lake, and that first leg of the glacier that you see from the lake. And now we're where you really can't see this part, which is the main section of the glacier. If you only go to the lake, you got to put in the effort to get up and above it, and it really is the best part. Got a snowboarder up there getting ready to come down. Yeah, dude. Nice. Hope you don't mind if I film you.
Yeah, alright.
So cool. Ooh. August 30th. We're fully above the glacier now. Looks like that snowboarder is gonna walk up and do another run. I can't blame him. It sure looks like fun. This is where we're headed. It's kind of narrow and there's not like an official trail up here, but should be all right. We're up above tree line now. And I think we have our first glimpse of James Peak out that way. So, yep, that's James Peak behind us. And what a great spot up here above the tree line. I mean, it's just miles of tundra on the Continental Divide. The CDT runs through here. And I believe at this point we're in the James Peak Wilderness. It's what a joy. Just give you the view here. Walked across a lot of the tundra at this point, and pretty soon we'll be hiking up James Peak in earnest. Made it a good deal of the way up James Peak at this point. Still have a ways to go, but got these great views of these lakes down below here now. 2, 3, 4 of them. Looks like we're really getting there now. Catching up to a few people ahead of me now. I guess I'll see them at the top. All right, we made to the top of James Peak. It's 13,301 feet, I believe. And I earned every one of those feet. Wow, what a view from here. A little bit sheltered from the wind. I'll turn this around and give you guys the full view. It's a little bit hazy, unfortunately, because of the wildfires, but still a good view and certainly worth it. If we look over that way, towards the west, we're looking towards Winter Park ski area. I see the ski slopes. And if we look a little more, we're looking in the direction of Grand Lake. Don't think we see Grand Lake through the haze though. And over, as we look north, looking out towards the Indian Peaks, and far enough out there if we could see the Rocky Mountain National Park. Well, old Jerry sure is enjoying the views from up on top of James Peak, breaking out some blues riffs and psychedelic jams. Can't blame him. Just lingering up here. I'm gonna stop and eat a sandwich, and I've got a PBR here to drink. I don't know if I will drink it. Might wait till I get down. But it sure is nice and not in any rush. Doesn't seem like there's any threat of thunderstorms. Now heading down off of James Peak. Should be a lot easier on the way down than it was on the way up. I'm down off the peak. I've gone over the tundra, and I'm now back on St. Mary's Glacier on my way back to the car. A lot more people on the glacier now than there were earlier, but it's a weekday, so it's still not so bad. And I think I'll just take my time and go down the glacier, maybe take a little break at that lake at the bottom, St. Mary's Lake, have a snack, and then head back to my car.